we got a composter, a 2-barrel composter, and it came with a cat. The cat was extra. She's not very helpful, is she? Oh, she doesn't. Anyhow. Nice.
That's his box.
Apparently.
Oh! All right, what do we have?
We have a 2-barrel composter. I think it's made by Miracle-Gro. Oh my. There are lots of parts. But bonus, it did come with gloves that would fit a child. Okay, we have lots of parts over here. Oh, there's a green one and a yellow one, so you know which one you're using and which one you're not using at the time. Oh, great. We gotta go to scan the QR code to go get the directions on how to put it together. Last part.
They did not include instructions on how to put it together.
There are no instructions. None. Well, there might be nestled in there, but I doubt it.
Okay. Well,
Oh,
have fun. Here comes the time lapse.
thanks.
Edgar, what is he doing in there? So we don't like it when cats go in boxes.
No. It says, let's save some trees. Find the full assembly instructions online.
So it is a Miracle-Gro.
Yeah, it is. Oh, oh. Boom. Follow the 701 steps. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, so how's it going so far?
These little clippy things are
Hold on, let me see.
not the easiest things to use,
Okay.
but on a bright note, you don't really need any tools, so that's cool. So I'm about to put the first chamber together. 2 of 64. See, you take this and you clip it in here, like that, and you pop it in. That's what I did here. See?
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So, but they're kind of hard to pop in. These are easier because it's all solid now, but the first 2 or 3 were like, yeah, right.
Okay.
They're like going. Yeah, like that.
Do you need a hammer?
No. The instructions show a guy with his hand going like this. So we're good. Success. Okay. Okay, I have 2 tips. Number 1. In the video, they say to hit this on the edge to snap it into place like this with your hand. I was doing it like this. Do this. The hand part works better. That's tip 1. Tip 2 is these little doodads on the side. They're really not that easy to clip in. Okay? So I got this thing out of the package. It goes to something else. I think it's like those or something. Anyway. And I use this to push the little clippies in. It works much better. So when you can't make it work, find a tool.
No assembly, no tools required
No tools
for this.
required, but
But use one.
But use parts for tools. It's not very heavy. See?
We're not anything in.
No, it's supposed to pop into that hole. Good luck with that.
Just straight in there,
Straight in there.
right in the, let me see.
And then when you want to dump it, you put your bucket down here and you open this and you dump it into the bucket. Ah.
That seems perfectly grizzly.
Isn't it?
Okay, that's very interesting.
So we'll see how it goes. Now, what this is for, I don't know. Oh, to lock it, keep it from turning.
There you go. Ah, it's a
See, it
lock.
won't turn.
Okay,
This one will though.
because you have to lock the other side.
Oh, we're doing this thing.
So put them on top. Okay, this is the lock. Ah, there we go. So now it's locked.
Yeah. I don't know if I would even use the lock.
Woohoo. All right, you did it.
Presto, we did it. Awesome.
One composter from Miracle-Gro assembled. All right, go find a place to put it where it'll be far away.
Yes.
Okay, so we have the composter now out here next to the garden. Well, next to the big open flat dirt space. I feel like that's not going to be very much compost for that size garden.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
Gonna have to have 25 compost things that size.
Yeah.
But
It'll
there
work
we go.
for us now, though, if we have no plants out here.
What do you say, Edgar?
Are you eating the grass?
What do you say, Edgar?
He loves the garden.
Yeah, he does.
It's like, it's awesome.
It's because he just wants to go out and eat all the dirt.
We need water too, but we'll get that.
All right, we got the composter out here. Got it on a couple pieces of wood,
Yep.
like proper rednecks from Alabama. Okay, and we got some tester compost
some-
here, and we got some household stuff there.
And some kitchen compost deodorizer compost starter. Yeah,
That sounds terrifying.
it does, doesn't it? Sounds horrible.
Okay. So you're supposed to put water in there?
Yeah.
Okay, so we didn't know this,
I'm
so
actually gonna rinse this off. Isn't it so?
I was kidding.
Yeah, I know. So
right.
the excess water's gonna like. I'm assuming. Right. Yes, it's draining.
Okay, well the compost has been going over here for about a month now, and we have found that we need a little more space, and see, this side had too much greens and not enough browns. This side had too much browns and not enough greens. And so we made this will be our first place, and then we made a secondary place over there. So I tilled up this little bit of an area back here, and we're gonna dump it over here.
All right, there's our pit. We are now emptying our half-done compost. Hey, that doesn't look half bad. Minus, the magnets, of course. Okay, so we put too much fruit in. I think. And that made maggots come, so we put pine needles in, which helped a lot. There are roaches. So you don't want to do this next to your house.
So if I did have a complaint about this particular Miracle-Gro tumbler, these little things right here, these plastic things, like that plastic thing is already broken off on ours. And so this clip to hold it here is not really all that useful. But it's just plastic, and it's holding 25 pounds, I guess. So, but now this is how our compost pile looks.